1. Make sure your controller, Xbox, PlayStation, or racing wheel is properly connected via USB or Bluetooth. 2. Test in Windows Game Controller settings. Press Windows R, type joy.cpl, enter. Make sure the controller is recognized and all buttons respond. Open quote, if not recognized, try a different USB port, cable, or controller. Close quote. Natter Step 2 Update Controller Wheel Drivers. Xbox Elite controllers use Xbox Accessories app from Microsoft Store. PlayStation DualShock DualSense use DS4 Windows if necessary. Racing wheels, Logitech, Thrustmaster. Install latest drivers from the manufacturer's website. Open quote, restart PC after updating drivers. Close quote. Step 3, configure Steam settings if using Steam. 1. Open Steam, Library, Assetto Corsa Rally, Properties, Controller. 2. Set override for Assetto Corsa Rally to enable Steam input. 3. Restart the game and check if the controller works. Step 4. Check in-game settings. 1. Open the game, Options, Controls/Input. 2. Ensure your controller or wheel is enabled. 3. Reassign buttons or pedals if needed. Open quote, Assetto Corsa Rally may default to keyboard mouse if it detects them first. Close quote. Step 5, disable conflicting background apps. Close apps that can interfere with input. DS4 Windows, Joy 2 Key, Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, or controller mapping software. Step 6, reconnect/set controller. Disconnect and reconnect the controller. For wireless controllers, repair. For DualShock DualSense, use the reset button. Step 7, test controller in other games. Make sure the controller works in another game. If it doesn't, the issue is hardware or driver related, not the game. Step 8, reinstall the game. If the controller still doesn't work, corrupted input configuration files may be the cause. 1. Uninstall the game. 2. Delete leftover files and documents, Assetto Corsa Rally, or sent app data sent. 3. Reinstall the game.